What's good, YouTubes? Clopson 73 here. I haven't made a video in a while, but today I'm doing an eBay unboxing. I did open it, but I didn't take the items out. I just didn't want to go through all the stress opening on camera. But it came from, I'm trying to count out my address. That's where it came from. And what I ordered was a camera bag. So yeah, I just didn't open that. I haven't taken it out of the plastic yet. And that's it. It's a Lacoste camera bag. I guess I'll take it out of the plastic now. I knew with the tag, so. And it smells fresh. And here it is. That's the Lacoste symbol. And yeah, the compartments, you can put it through here, you can put your stuff in the front pocket. There's you can open it through, no you can't open it actually. This part it's just to make it bigger, like with it to push it wider. And you have a second compartment which is over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. It's a really nice camera bag. Bye.